How to download UFC game on Xbox. This is going to show you how to install UFC 5 on your Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. So first of all, on the home screen of your Xbox, on the Xbox dashboard here, you want to press the search button, then you can type in UFC. There should pop up the latest game, which right now is UFC 5. In the future, it might be UFC 6 and beyond. But you can see that you can buy the game with certain versions of it, or you can have a free installable one. And that's only possible if you already have an EA Play membership. You might already have this if you have FC26. So potentially you might have the subscription there already. If you do, you can go in and then type in UFC, then you should see the free one at the top left hand corner there. You can click on install. It's included with EA Play. If not, you might have to purchase it. You might have to buy the latest UFC game on there. Depending on what it is for you, you can click on that, click get, it will download and install like so. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.